Howdy everybody! This video is being shot in response to a lot of the questions I've been seeing lately on the Camino forum. People want to know what kind of bar soap they should carry, or should they carry bar soap or liquid, and how do you carry it and keep it dry in between showers. Well, years ago I designed a product and it's called the Shower Buddy. This is what it looks like. It's made with 100% nylon net, Velcro, and polypropylene rope. It's got 3 pockets and I keep the soap in the center pocket. The Shower Buddy's got some benefits. First benefit, financial. Soap dries faster in the Shower Buddy, so your bar soap's going to last longer. Health benefits are exfoliation and manual lymph drainage. Safety benefit, no more drop, slippery, squishy soap. Stitching's reinforced on the Shower Buddy so they won't tear. When I'm out backpacking, I get people asking me all the time, what is that thing hanging off your pack? Well, this is it. For the Camino, I plan on using it for clothes washing, hair shampooing, and body washing. It'll dry quickly once I've finished using it. In addition, the Shower Buddy makes a great back scratcher, and some folks even use it for applying body lotions to their back. The website, theshowerbuddy.com, shows a price for U.S. purchases only. If you're interested in purchasing it out of the United States, just send me an email with your postal address and I'll get back to you with a price for postage. Please visit theshowerbuddy.com if you're at all interested in the product. I'm sure you'll be satisfied with it, as everyone is. Thanks for watching.